Frequently asked manatee questions. What should we pack?
So some of the things that you might want to consider bringing when you're swimming with us is sunscreen, a UV protected clothing, a hat, as well as polarized sunglasses, which really help you see the animals in the water. We also suggest that you bring a packed lunch or snacks if you wish, as well as some drinks to refresh yourself while out on the tour. Another thing to consider is that we provide all of the mask, snorkel, wetsuit, and life jackets necessary for every one of our guests. However, some guests prefer to bring their own specific life jacket for small children, and that is welcome. We do ask you to make sure that they are U.S. Coast Guard certified. Alcoholic beverages are not allowed on any of our group tours. You are welcome to bring them on any private swim tour. We just want you to know that any guest that partakes in alcohol will not be allowed to swim that day.